Today I will tell you about baby rearing shortcuts, parenting shortcuts to mothers. See, mothers have not been trained by the grandmothers on to how the baby is going to be. It's going to be simple. It's very simple. These are all shortcuts. If you are able to get in tune with the baby is going to be very easy to handle. Now, what should be your success rate in understanding your baby? It's just like matrix exam of India. 33% success rate. Out of 3 times, if you can understand why the baby is crying, 1 out of 3 times, if you can understand, you're very, very wonderful, successful, very good mother. For that first day, as early as possible, the baby need to be in contact with the mother. We try to room in the baby as early as the mother is being shifted. Even some hospitals say just cut the umbilical cord and place the baby onto the breast of the mother so that they can have a bonding. So early bonding is important. Previously people used to have a separate cot. Early bonding is my first point. Second point is, don't buy a separate cot. Let the baby be with the mother. Nothing wrong with that. No suffocation, nothing is going to, your baby is going to be extremely safe with you. There is nothing wrong with that. And third point is, everybody need to understand that baby cries for only a few reasons. One is an environment which is unhappy, causing dry nose or stuffy nose. So you need to maintain a temperature of 22 to 28. Some babies prefer high 26, 27, 28. Some babies prefer a cooler temperature. But according to the nose sensitivity of the baby, try to maintain a comfortable temperature according to the baby. If it is a baby who is very sensitive nose, too much of block, even after following a proper temperature protocol, you will have to get anti-allergic medication and into an anti-allergic diet. Allergic components, you need to remove it from your diet and improve the indoor air quality so that the dust and other things of the air are also removed, so that the baby becomes calm and cool. Okay, now I have told, I'll repeat: bonding followed by sleeping together, bedding in. Third point would be a good indoor quality, air quality, which is comfortable temperature. And fourth point is a regular burping, gas. You need to remove the gas very often by keeping the baby like that and rubbing, and that can be done by somebody. Now my fourth point was gas. Gas need to be removed from the upper way by burping. You need to massage the baby clockwise. You can remove the gas by massaging the stomach clockwise after the first week, because there will be umbilicus in the first week. In the first week, you can even try, after that also you can try cycling. Catch hold of the 2 legs and do cycling. So that way you can remove the gas. Now you can also give natural medicines like Colicaid and other fennel oil, dill oil combinations. These and all you can give. Gripe water, I am skeptical because sometimes it contains alcohol. I am not into that. And sometimes it contains antacids, which can decrease the immunity of the stomach. So I am not in favor of that. Now the fourth point, in addition to gas and nose, is a very funny thing which is called hunger, and this is the most common thing. Hunger, a mistakenly overfed baby which has a very distended tummy, or mistakenly an underfed baby using a very diluted formula, or sometimes the mother may not have a thick milk and frequently fed on the foremilk. Now I'll tell briefly about foremilk and hind milk. The foremilk is the milk which comes in the early part. It contains minerals and water and lactose, and that causes gaseous distension of stomach, or if only that is given. So if foremilk need to be continued after 5 minutes, if there is a lot of water in the mother. If the mother takes 3 liters of water, in which 2 glasses are taken 15 minutes before every feed. If the mother is pre-charged with water, herbal water, which contains cumin, fennel and fenugreek, if these spices are there in that water is taken 15-20 minutes before the expected time the baby is going to ask for feed. Mother is pre-charged with this herbal water and then feeding the baby for a continuous period of 10 minutes from one single breast. In addition to the foremilk, hind milk also will go, and that babies have lesser gas. Certain food items mother may avoid, especially animal milk and products, especially cauliflower, broccoli, that family of broccoli, cauliflower, cabbages, dal products, which is pulses. These contains gas producing things which baby can get irritated with. In addition to that, the hunger need to be satisfied for the first week, if necessary only, by a formula milk. If possible, try to avoid the formula milk. So these are the first few days tips which I would want the mothers to make sure of. You can permanently cure autism and other mental diseases if you are able to understand your babies. A few things the baby might require for crying, which you need to understand, and frequent cleanliness is also important. For that, you need to divide your work into two: milk, mother. For potty, that is toilet, washing, cleaning, burping, stomach massage, cycling, everything, the other family members. Okay, so I will also put up a video later on how to calm the baby when the baby is crying. So initially, when the baby is crying, take the baby, calm down, and then think about other reasons. So today was the introductory session in which you need to understand why the baby is crying and why it is important for a mother to know the shortcuts to excel as a mother. Okay.